this video, we'll take a look at this cordless impact wrench and see how well it stands up to giant 8x8 post. Stay tuned for the whole video.
And make sure you check out our interactive flipbook where you find tools and renovation gadgets for any job you may have. Look in the description for the link.
Alright, so we've got our Kinswood cordless impact wrench and we're going to be testing this out right here. So this is an 8x8. We actually have to drill a pretty big leg bolt right in there. So we're going to see if it actually works. These are the types of jobs that this is good for. This is model number WI020C. This is what it looks like. It's a 20 volt lithium ion battery. Heavy duty. This is a thick machine. Alright, here's your charging base. Not much in here, and they provided you with 4. 17 and 19 and 21 and 23. Oh, fits in the 19 as well. So perfect. So let's go put this on. So to put it on, it's a quick release. Just put this on like that, and then you just pull it off when you're ready. Let's go test this out. You can also rewind and go backwards. Okay, so one cool thing about this battery, if you press this button, it shows you how much battery is left. So we're at 2. So you can take this out if you want it. But I do recommend you get yourself 2 batteries at least, so you can work a lot longer. There's only one setting, so if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Now you could pre-drill this, but shouldn't really happen. There we go. Very nice. Let's try the next one and see if we can do all 4. Whoa, co zrobił? Really nice though, eh? You don't even need to pre-drill. You basically drill. There you go. And plenty of power. We already did all those. And we still got plenty of juice. And it's just right out of the box. Very happy with this. Heavy duty, like I said. It weighs about as much as 2 drills. So probably a really good motor in here. Highly recommended. The grip is easy, so yeah, pretty happy with it. Cordless impact wrench. On this video, we'll take a look at this cordless impact wrench and see how well it stands up to giant 8x8 post. Stay tuned for the whole video.